TechCode.
Hey there, welcome back to another episode of TechCode TV. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation with 13 mind-blowing gadgets that are guaranteed to make you say, wow. Now, are you ready to be amazed? Let's roll. Introducing the BT20 Wingman, a versatile power bank that revolutionizes portable charging. Say goodbye to the hassle of keeping your devices tethered to a wall outlet. With the Wingman W20, you can easily swap out batteries on the fly, ensuring uninterrupted power whenever you need it. Plus, its compact design makes it perfect for travel or everyday use. Get yours today for just $29 and never run out of battery again. Experience cozy comfort wherever you go with the CozyPod heater. This palm-sized marvel delivers between 500 and 800 watts of power, keeping you warm and toasty no matter the weather. Its cordless design and ceramic elements ensure rapid heating, while the remote control allows you to adjust the temperature to your liking. Perfect for home, office, or travel. The CozyPod heater can be yours for only $79. Meet JUMPAC, the all-in-one emergency tool that's a jump starter, vacuum cleaner, flashlight, pump, and power bank rolled into one sleek package. Whether you're stranded on the side of the road or tackling a DI project at home, JUMPAC has got you covered. With its intuitive controls and comprehensive accessories, this gadget is a must-have for any situation. Grab yours today for just $129 and be prepared for whatever comes your way. Transform your smartphone into a full-fledged robot with LOOI Robot. This innovative platform, equipped with 2 rubber tracks, turns your device into a versatile companion that can chat, work, or even explore its surroundings. Powered by advanced AI technology, LOOI Robot can think, see, and speak, making it the perfect assistant for your daily tasks. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities with LOOI Robot, available now for $199. Experience the future of augmented reality with the Varjo XR4 series headset. Boasting 4K resolution displays, panoramic lenses, and advanced eye tracking technology, this headset offers unparalleled immersion and realism. Whether you're training for a high-stakes mission or designing the next big thing, Varjo XR4 series delivers the performance and precision you need. Elevate your AR experience to new heights for $1,999. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn cans thanks to Kitchen Mama, the motorized can opener that does all the work for you. Equipped with 2 blades and a powerful motor, Kitchen Mama effortlessly opens any can with the push of a button. Perfect for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength, this gadget is a game changer in the kitchen. Get yours today for just $42 and simplify your meal prep routine. Upgrade your medicine cabinet with Keep Intelligent Storage, the smart solution that keeps your medications organized and secure. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, Keep sends reminders to your smartphone to ensure you never miss a dose. Plus, its touch-sensitive lid and smartphone locking feature provide added security and peace of mind. Keep your health on track with KEP Intelligent Storage for $299. Channel your inner Autobot with the Transformers Mirage Wearable Helmet. This meticulously crafted helmet features glowing LED eyes, voice modulation, and authentic detailing, allowing you to become the legendary hero Optimus Prime. Whether you're cosplaying at a convention or simply reliving your childhood dreams, the Transformers Mirage Wearable Helmet is sure to turn heads. Transform your reality for $299. Unlock new creative possibilities with the Creality CR Scan Ferret, a portable scanner that brings your ideas to life in stunning detail. Compatible with smartphones and easy to use, the CR Scan Ferret captures even the tiniest details with precision and accuracy. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this gadget is a game changer for 3D modeling and prototyping. Elevate your creations for $429. Introducing the Retecus Trone 112, a rugged and versatile device reminiscent of the gadgets carried by the legendary Rambo through the jungle. This sleek, dark green rectangle is compatible with most available bands, allowing you to stay connected no matter where you are. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or navigating urban jungles, the TR112 keeps you connected to your smartphone and computer with ease. But that's not all. The TR112 is more than just a communication device. It also doubles as a portable entertainment hub, capable of playing music from memory cards to keep you entertained on the go. And in case of emergencies, the built-in flashlight and siren with an SOS signal ensure that you're prepared for anything that comes your way. Priced at just $92, the TR112 is an ideal gadget for anyone who enjoys the thrill of exploring and staying connected in remote locations. So why wait? Get your hands on the Retekis TR112 today and take your adventures to the next level. Building a simple birdhouse is nice, but do you ever wish to understand birds better? Here's the Birddy Smart Birdhouse. It's a mix of tech and nature. This birdhouse uses solar power. It has an inbuilt camera. It shows the busy life inside. You no longer need to disturb nests to see inside. Watch live videos streamed to your mobile or computer. Enjoy the bird world from your cozy home. Meet the BirdWeather PUC. This clever tool adds excitement to birdwatching. It comes with super sensitive mix and can pick up the quietest bird sounds. Thanks to artificial intelligence, the BirdWeather PUC can tell the difference between birds just by their sound. So it doesn't matter if it's a robin singing beautifully or a dove softly cooing, this tech identifies each sound clearly. The BirdWeather PUC makes listening to birds easy and fun. Plus, it's affordable, starting at just $29. This cool tool makes birdwatching more amazing. It invites you to listen, learn, and enjoy nature's bird songs. Introducing AiiYME Prez Nuts, a new pet grooming device, also known as AiiYME. It's a big hair dryer, basically. An adult Labrador? AiiYME's got it dry in 19 minutes. What's cool is dad's. Noise level only 61 decibel. Your regular hair dryer? That's hitting 80 or 90 decibel. Now, the device, brushes, and all the extras, what's the cost? Just $80. That wraps up the video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell icon on so you never miss another video from us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.